Hey there, this is Penelope. This is the second video in a very short series of videos on compound angles where we're rearranging what we're given to put it into a particular format. Now this one is a sine omega t minus alpha rather than plus alpha. So let's have a look at the example, and we're asked to express 2 sine 4t minus 5 cos 4t in that particular format. Already we can write it as r sine 4t minus alpha. Now it's the same as in the previous video. We can use the expansion that you've got in a list in your textbook, wherever, that will be able to then make the comparison. I'll just write this one out again. Okay, so using the list, the expansion, the trig identity, we can write this out because we're using this line. We can write it out as r sine 4t cos alpha minus r sine alpha cos 4t. And if we wanted to make it a little bit clearer, we could write it as maybe we could write it as r cos alpha sine 4t minus r sine alpha cos 4t. Now what we've got there is that we've already got, actually I think that made it worse. Never mind. What we've now got is that we can see the comparison. This is 2, so that's 2, so 2 is equal to r cos alpha, because I don't know what I want to do. I want to do it the other way around. I want to do that. We've already got the sine 4t and the sine 4t, and we've got the cos 4t and the cos 4t. That's the way around I wanted to do it. So then we can say, well, 2 must equal r cos alpha, and now we just need to be a little bit careful here that a or r sine alpha is going to equal 5. Just watch the signs. The S-I-G-N-S. Okay, we can work out that r is equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 5 squared, which is equal to root 29. I'll just leave it as root 29. That's the most accurate way of writing it. And that alpha is, now if we draw this on a right angle triangle, our 2, our horizontal, is positive, and our vertical is positive this time as well. So, and that's coming from this and this statement, and that line there is r. So we're in quadrant 1. So our inverse tan is going to be of 5 over 2. Now we're in radians because we've got time, we've got t for time in the expression. So then alpha is going to be approximately 1.1903 radians. So put it all together, 2 sine 4t minus 5 cos 4t is going to be equal to root 29 sine 4t minus 1.1903. The beauty of having it in this format is that we could now solve this if this was an expression where it's equal to some other number. That's why we would be doing it. Okay, all done.